All right, what you gonna try, Rachel?
All right, we're gonna try the egg flippy sandwich challenge.
The egg flippy sandwich?
Yeah. We have 2 eggs, some Justin Wilson Cajun seasoning, a little milk, melt the butter. Oh, excuse me, honey. That's about a tablespoon of butter, which is too much in my opinion.
No, not enough.
Everybody
Not enough butter.
Everybody seems to use a lot of butter. Put the eggs in. Right.
Well, that cheese is gonna have to melt at some point.
Okay, put the bread in, give it a flip. Put the bread in, give it a flip. Let the egg cook. Oh, I think somebody covered it.
But well, the cheese needs to melt at some point. You put it on top of
You
the.
do the cheese after you flip it.
How's that gonna melt?
You do the cheese after you flip it. All right, and you're supposed to flip the whole thing over. This is the dangerous part. Could probably do it.
I wanted just French toast this morning, but that's fine. You wanted flippy sandwich.
Oh, that's one little tiny bit of egg. That's pretty good. All right, we got cheese, cheddar cheese, and we got some bacon. It's real bacon, not bacon bits. I just cut it into bits. Okay. And then a little bit of spinach and mushrooms and tomato, and the mushrooms are pre-cooked and the spinach was just a little bit cooked. Okay, all the stuff. Here, Gumbo.
I think you put too many things in the sandwich.
Shut up. You fold in the egg, and you flip over that. You let that cook for a minute. You flip. Nice.